thank you so much for the presentation, and also once again, thank you so much everyone to join us today. And as I said, our research group, we always have our research outcome webinar in April and May, as well as in the end of August or in the beginning of September. We usually have two research outcome webinar, and each of the research webinar will show you what we have done for the 3 or 4 months period of time. So if you miss any day 1 session, or if you want to review any sessions that we have for this year, or you want to know more about our research, you can go to youtube.vipresearch.ca, and then it will redirect you to our YouTube channel, and you can click on playlist. Inside of the playlist, you can see VIP Raw 2021, or you can click any other playlist you are interested in. So once again, thank you so much, and I hope you all have a good night, good evening, good afternoon. I don't know if I still need to say good morning, but anyway, so thank you once again, and I hope to see you next year. Bye for now.
Thank you.